these kind things in a life.
Only me and you.